forget to like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell
so we can go to college and get more knowledge.
Welcome back in the place to be with the CBDC Assets Group. Thank you all for being a part of the group. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's supporting us over on cyberhodlgear.com, purchasing all of our CBDC Assets Group merchandise. Thank you again. Your support means a lot. All right, moving into crypto. Got a little green up on the board now. If you don't know, this is Quantified Crypto. Gives you a little heat map of all the cryptos and how they're performing. What I'm looking for right now for this alternate coin season, the altcoin season, to jump off is signifiers of different assets moving up 30-40%. So right here, if you look over here, we got waves at 29%, 29.55% increase, and it's giving me some hope, but I don't think that'll hold up. We'll see though. XRP's green, 63 cents. Bitcoin at 38,000, hoping it'll shoot up to 50 or 60 so we can let this alt season pop off. Now, the feds release a long-awaited study on the digital dollar, but it doesn't take a position on creating one yet. So this is talking about the Federal Reserve and how they feel about the benefits and the flaws of the CBDC. It's not going to replace existing digital money, and the Fed will not move without Congress, but it must be privacy protected, intermediated, and identity verifiable. This clip right here that we're going to jump in says this is the biggest change to money since the Civil War. I think he might have a point. Let me know what you guys think.
Yeah, thanks, Kelly. The long-awaited paper on the central bank digital currency being issued at this time by the Federal Reserve, in which they say that a CBDC could offer a range of benefits and risks. Don't come to any particular conclusion about it, but they say it could offer the general public a risk-free digital money that is free from credit risk, free from liquidity risk, would not replace existing digital money, but would be an addition to it. The Fed will not proceed, as Chair Powell has said, with a CBDC without support of Congress and the executive branch, ideally with an authorizing law. Let me go through quickly what the paper sees as the benefits. It would provide an electronic form of central bank money to the general public, households, and businesses, faster and cheaper payments, and expanded consumer access to the financial system. Many, of course, are underbanked in this country. The risk, well, it could affect the financial market structure, cost and availability of credit, because it could disintermediate the banks if they did it the wrong way, and also how monetary policy works. Now, three things the paper is calling for: privacy protected, intermediated, as in you don't do business right with the central bank, you may do it with digital wallets, and identity verified, so you can protect against criminal activity, among other things. Paper's meant to begin a debate, get public comment. They'll continue to explore a wide range of design options for CBDC. Kelly, this is moving very slowly, but it is potentially the biggest change to money since, I don't know, currency consolidation after the Civil War, so we're watching it very carefully.
Yeah, a huge step for mankind, Steve, but maybe a little bit shy of where they could have gone with this?
Yeah, they're not going anywhere without Congress and the executive branch. They're laying out the possibilities, the issues that have to be put together. But this is maybe, at the end of the day, Kelly, as much a financial issue as it is a political issue.
All right, now I want you to think about the context of everything that you just saw and bring that in with this. Meta reportedly looking to sell Diem stablecoin project and assets. Now, who do you think would want to purchase something that Facebook has created to facilitate finance for the whole world? So they have enough assets on their platform to facilitate transactions around the globe. And right now the Fed says that they don't have any plans for a CBDC. Sounds very interesting to me. The sale of assets would go towards returning capital to investor members, the report says. Diem is reportedly talking to investment bankers about how to sell both the intellectual property and finding positions for the engineers on the project. The stablecoin has had controversial history, undergoing close scrutiny from regulators and executing and rebranding from the original name of Libra. The most recent of these examinations result in Democratic senators in the U.S. asking the company to discontinue the project and the Novi wallet. The Novi wallet allows users on WhatsApp to send a payment to others. This immediately attracted the attention of U.S. authorities. Finance watchdogs then recommended that regulators investigate the Novi wallet. Diem caused shockwaves when it first announced, and both the crypto community and lawmakers across the world expressed criticism. The latter group believed that the basket of stablecoins would give the company too much influence and impinge on the remit of national currencies. Remit. Interesting. Stablecoins, a top priority for regulators. Regulators are turning their focus to stablecoins now, and the next 12 months should see regulation come in some form or another. Reports suggest that the Biden administration will induce regulation for the crypto space via executive order. This could include statements on stablecoins. Stablecoins are seen as a threat to national currencies, and regulators at least want them to register under banking laws if they are going to function as typical currency. International organizations like the G20 feel the same way. US and EU regulators discussed stablecoins and CBDCs last year, and there has been a lot of progress with respect to the latter. The US Federal Reserve published a paper last week on a potential CBDC asking for further dialogue. I think the US government is about to swoop in with somebody else's crypto project and make it their own. Who's it going to be? Stellar? Could it be the XRP? Could it be Diem? Something fishy's going on. The Federal Reserve definitely has a plan, in my opinion, and it's not financial advice, but pay attention to this. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. See you on the next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe
And hit the notification bell
so we can go to college and get more knowledge.